Hello friends, welcome to the video solutions of JIPMAT 2025. In this video, we'll be solving all the original questions from the LRDI section. Let's get started. First question, arrange the following words alphabetically as in a dictionary. Savior, savage, sausage, savor. We can see that all of them start with SA, okay, so far. Now, three of them have V while one of them has U. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, sausage, C comes first, and then after U we have V, V, V. V, A comes first, that would be B, and then after A comes I, that would be A, and then after that comes O, right? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So, A, V, A, and then V, I, then V, O, that's D. So, that gives us option 3, C, B, A, D, that's the order, sausage, and then savage, and then savior, and then savor.